Time for we start the tour. Yes, we'll take a stroller now, bro. For the traffic. That's what you know, bro. When you reach them hours, anything set away. Road start get one way, you know. Things get hectic. All of the hustlers them out. And such man them now and drive up, you see it. Just put sneakers lock. Just forward to one ticket a while ago, yo. Just get a $65 ticket. People them a sweep. One of them shit in the star fuck up, but what me I do? Done. Them done write the ticket in there, so you go. Can't even, and I like even before when you could have went say, yo G, and them just come bother if you just tear it up. No? Scan that now the system and it's done. Look like him not finished learning to drive. You see him a move. Yo, some people driving, bro. Some people driving a regular, brother. See me? Yeah, man. SJTV, we out here. Live. You see it? I know Star Alfred Drive going to the city now. Traffic. And I be at all the man them think turn up the thing and now Star. I don't know how much money city wants. Eh? Cause a general thing, you know, cause me asking a question. You know how much money run, how much paper, real currency run daily. Just a one train station. You never have to talk about Times Square, brother. That yo, a billions of dollars, bro. Billions on top of billions, and this now are just more billions. You understand? Yeah. Yeah, man. So you get the overs of that, you know, say, boy, money strong of them places. No matter when you hear such man a complain, I say, you don't have no money. Or such woman I say she don't have no money. I just them not have no money. Watch it. Woman fix her vehicle right now. Money. Hear music I play the artist I make money. You wanna subscribe so I can make some money. Ah! Yeah man, join the family still. Bigger than that man. Bigger than just make money over here. We're a family. Join the family. Yeah, I'm wanting to do something too. Do something on YouTube as well too, so we can all be out here and chase the dream, brother. You know the day? You know some people tell us, yo, subscribe to my channel. But really in them heart, them just want the support from you. Them wanna, brother, if I can see some of my subscribers, them do some things, you mean? I think I not go forward over there and give a strength, drop 2 positive comment and slap up the like button a couple of times because I done subscribe already. That's how we have to do the thing, bro. See it? If a lot of people did a move like that, believe me, man, enough channel blow up already on YouTube. But enough people selfish and want all of the glory for themselves, you know? Yeah, nobody make it feel say because you have a couple of subscribers. You're above the next content creator. You see me, all the way out there for the same cause at the end of the day. You see me, no matter where we come from, we're all on YouTube for the same cause. So, yeah, that's why you see, end of the day, you see, once it's a content that I can relate to and somewhere I like, me just give it a like, cause you not hurt me, bro. You not hurt, you not take nothing from me, bro, cause, bro, your personal strength can go a long way, bro. I tell you that. Help build confidence, you do a lot, bro. And I tell you that, just give a man a strength sometime, you know? Yeah, man. You need that encouragement. Simple as just take that, you smash the like button. You encourage the content creator to do better. Because you must say, I hear me now, people them like it, you know? You know, so you have to make certain, you know, you have to create something now. To fill that gap the way people them are searching. Alright now. Talk about that right now. Right now, I need to go over that line because I have a KFC, I need to forward that now. You see me, but you know, man, we're up on a tour right now. You hear that? Yeah, charge it. Probably turn off one of them roads, brother. You know, traffic up there, fam. Traffic in a rush hour, you can spot it. Like Kenny there. I'll be a Kenny, I see over there, fam. No jelly. Couple jelly I don't need this, sir. Yeah. The yard, brother, I love ribbon cane them. Yeah, man. See all them people, you know, we squeeze the cane them and get out all of the juice them out of them, brother. You can get a whole buckle of that to buy, brother, that's good. No, still this a one channel on the now see give up on YouTube. Yeah. We don't do no such thing like that. Spirit I need to tighten down, you know. say yesterday after I say boy, I go look some food for consume and I say boy I want some like dumpling and you call it there, banana and like brown stew chicken and thing like that. Dog I walk and I check out the beast. And the beast not even wash right now. That's how the thing said, everything good. Them still a look. So me I say no bro. Cause me forward at the restaurant in a dog. Every day me forward over there no bro and I buy rice and peas and gum, all kind of things. Dumpling over there. Yam, everything. And in 1 minute me want some provisions to consume. Rice settings. When man now try to go KFC as well, they call it fast food. You know, put a slide over there, brother. Yo, I want to store that bed style, pizza store then a normal bro. Can all drive go over there too, you know. And the utica, you know, yes. Man, them stop. I think I could have turned yesterday, you know, but they can't turn start. I wait till 7 o'clock, it's a ticket that, bro. I eat myself from down the street, there's some ones. Exit from one of them street there, bro, but that never work. Bob Marley.